it's 10:45 already. So right now I need to get freshened up, do chores, and there are few errands to run, meet up a friend, and there's a whole day. So I thought of randomly vlogging it. So let's go freshen up first.
Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. By now, you guys already would have understood that my morning routine includes me waking up, freshening up, and immediately having coffee. That first sip really hits, and we're out already. So this is my fit check, and this is my makeup, and I'm really proud of my makeup skill these days because look at it. It's really giving. And anyway, the plans is completely changed. I was supposed to get ready, then meet up a friend, run errands, and then go to a screening of a match, and then blah blah blah. But yeah, so that didn't happen. So I went out lunch with my fam, and I came to this place called Kavyam. So I realized I didn't give a proper view of my accessories. So here we go. I really love the look today. So I thought, why not show you my accessories and all? So I don't really check the menu as well because I never really order. I never know what to order. So I just leave it to the fam. They ordered Kodi chips, and trust me when I say this, these are so delicious, like so yum. And they also ordered butter biryani, and this is combined of prawns, mutton, and chicken. Back in 2024, we used to come here a lot, but I don't know what happened all of a sudden that we stopped going. But anyway, now that we are here, we ordered the same thing like we used to, the butter biryani. We mainly order this because I eat prawns and chicken. They also eat mutton. I don't eat mutton, so the butter biryani, and it is really so yum. And I also tasted this lemon soda, which I didn't really like. But if you're at Kavyam any days, please don't forget to order the Kodi chips and that biryani because it is so delicious. But anyway, we are done with the lunch. We were waiting for our car because we gave our car to the valet, but I spotted the car very nearby and it was very crowded. So we thought, why don't we just go by ourselves? So that is what we did, and we took our car keys. And while I was walking, somebody from backside actually made a comment like, hello, you guys, because I was shooting in public. So to be honest, it doesn't even really matter to me at all because this is what I love doing. Obviously, I know it have its own cons and pros, but it just felt a little weird or awkward because I was with the fam. But anyway, that didn't really matter to them or me. So we finally headed out again to do some shopping. But before that, we had to make a quick stop at Magnolia because we were craving ice cream so bad. And now that they finally have it, I took one fruit and nut and chocolate, one for my cousin and one for myself. I really wanted Magnolia ice cream for so long. It wasn't available, especially the flavor I like. And now they finally had it. I actually like it with the cone, that waffle, but it wasn't available. Nevertheless, I got to eat the Magnolia ice cream. Here, I was actually trying a different camera angle that it completely failed. You know what? Let's not talk about it. So, I came to West Side for some shopping. I keep tripping over myself a lot these days. I don't know why is this happening. Even though there was so much of cute stuff over there, like the entire collection is so good, but I didn't end up buying anything because I already got few pieces from Zara which I'm supposed to pick up like in few hours. So I didn't really buy those because I wanted to check these pieces and then decide and buy later. So I was supposed to head out in some time, so I am thinking to change or not to change. I'm really not sure, so I think I will change. So let's see. My overthinking mind couldn't really decide about the outfit, so keeping all that aside, I just watched few YouTube videos before actually leaving because I had some time. I'm out again to actually run some errands, so I thought why not run some errands and then meet them at a cafe. So errands is nothing but me actually going to Zara and picking up my order. So I didn't change the outfit. I felt so lazy to change the outfit and then change the accessories again. I was like light, and then I'm out and I got to see a pretty sunset on that day. But the traffic was so hectic, so know oh my god, I can't even say, because it took literally 2.5 hours for me to only reach Zara, like the mall, and to park it took again for like 20-25 minutes, and then I finally went to Zara. So I really wanted to check out some few pieces as well, because I couldn't really check it online if it's nice or not, or if it fits me. So I couldn't even see all those pieces because it was too hectic for me. And when I went to the women's section, they were like, we have to go to the men's section. And when I went to the men's section, they were like, you have to go back to the kids section to pick up the order. It is the biggest mistake I've done. Like, they had a home delivery, but I didn't choose that because it'll be even more delay for like 4-5 days. So I thought, why not go pick up? It is nearby. And that was the biggest mistake I've made. Or I chose a wrong day to go and pick up, because I never saw for a mall like with such rush, with so many people there. Like, there was no space even to walk. Honestly, I don't know why it was too crowded on that day. Oh my god, I can't even say, you guys, it was so crowded. And the biggest mistake number 3 is I actually went in a wrong way, because I parked my car somewhere else and I was walking towards somewhere else, and I had to again go back and walk in the same rush. I don't know if I was so overwhelmed, so, annoyed. Honestly, my face isn't looking that way. I know that, but I was so overstimulated, and it was so hectic. And, see, look at my hand. I don't know if it's clear or not. There was a pair of heels in that box, and that was, pressing against my hand. And I was like, oh my god, I finally took it, and I just have to leave and have some coffee. And I wanted to leave immediately and have some coffee, but even then, to reach Kisa, it took me so long. I think again I had to travel for like 1.5 hour. It was like a stupidest day that I had, honestly. Post reaching Kisa is actually where I felt better, because the vibe of the cafe on that day was good, and there was screening happening, and the moon was looking so pretty. And my friend ordered this mango milkshake, and I ordered a cold coffee because I wanted to have something cool and coffee for sure. And what's better than a cold coffee, obviously? And the cold coffee was really good. If it was bad on that day, I would actually sit and cry then and there itself, because that overstimulated I was. I'm finally back home. So I realized in the lift that why couldn't I hold this way at the mall also, because it was much easier. I think it's best to not think about it, because even now it makes me seriously cry. But anyway, let's not talk about it. I know my face says otherwise, but I'm so tired. But even then, I want to do a fit check, but it wasn't possible. Anyway, it is almost 12, and by the time I relaxed. But this is the end of the video, you guys. If you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, see you in the next video. Bye.